Here's what we are going to do today. We are going to take a security master from Excel, turn it into a FastTrack watch list, and rank the results by Ulcer Performance Index. This is the kind of workflow investors run all the time. You already have lists of funds or ETFs somewhere. FastTrack lets you bring that list in and turn it into research. We start with an empty watchlist page and create a new watchlist. Then we open an Excel security master with more than 500 mutual funds. Instead of adding tickers one by one, we copy the list from Excel and paste it directly into FastTrack. We name it Security Master version 1 and save it. Now that list becomes a reusable research universe. From the Saved Watchlists page, we open it in Sheet. FastTrack loads the securities into a sortable research table. Now we rank by Ulcer Performance Index, bringing the strongest risk-adjusted performers to the top. From there, we move into Chart and inspect the leading funds against the S&P 500 Total Return Index. We can scroll through the ranked funds and keep the chart view connected to the research list. Bring your list, rank it, and investigate the results. Sign up for a free trial at fasttrack.net.